So today we're going to be making this blueberry smoothie. By the way, my name is Jean and this is Tasting Flavours. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Okay, let's get into the recipe. Okay, so I'll start by adding some bananas. I'm now going in with some frozen blueberries, some carrots, some gorgeous almonds, I'm now adding some crunchy peanut butter. Okay, I'm going in with some almond milk. Wow, look at that. Okay, so I'm popping the lid on now and I'm going to blend this all up. So let's press blend, shall we? Okay, so now that's all done, I'm going to pull this out. Wow, look at that. Okay, I'm adding some chia seeds now. And there you go guys, that's your blueberry smoothie with chia seeds. Thanks so much for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Okay, see you on the next one.